Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the final video lecture for this chapter 8 of class 8 mathematics, that was comparing quantities. Now since we have already learnt about all the concepts covered under this chapter, we will just be revising all of them. So this video is about quick revision. Let's do a recap. First of all, we started studying from about discount. Discount is reduction given on the marked price, and discount is found by marked price minus sale price. We already know what marked price and sale price is. So the formula for discount is marked price minus the sale price. Another thing that we learned about discount is that discount can be calculated even when we have discount percentage. So even when we have discount percentage, then we can find the discount by using this formula, that is discount percentage of marked price. So discount percent given to us into the marked price gives us the discount. Next we learned about the additional expenses. Now the additional expenses that are made after buying an article are also included in the cost price. And such additional expenses are known as the overhead expenses. We learned about this overhead expenses. When there are some overhead expenses, then the total cost price is given by buying price plus that overhead expense. Another thing we learned was about the sales tax. Now, sales tax is charged on the sale of an item by the government and it is added to the bill amount. How do we find sales tax? The tax that is given into the bill amount. Tax percentage that is given to us, tax percentage. In order to find the sales tax from the tax percentage, we just multiply the tax percentage with bill amount. Then we studied about the interest, simple interest as well as compound interest. Now the amount when the interest is compounded annually is given by P into 1 plus R raised to power R by 100, this whole raised to power N. Where this P is the principal, R is the rate of interest and N is the time period. So this is the formula. You have to remember this formula. There were a lot of formulas in this chapter and you have to remember all of these on your fingertips. You should know all these formulas. Next we learned was the amount. How do we find the amount when interest is compounded half yearly? Then in that case, the amount is given by this formula P into 1 plus R by 200. In this case, it is 200 in the place of 100 into this whole bracket raised to power 2n. In the place of n, this time it is 2n. Now R by 2 is half yearly rate and 2n, this R by 2 is the half yearly rate because we are given compounded half yearly. And 2n is the number of half years. So this is the formulas for finding the amount when interest is compounded annually or when finding the amount when the interest is compounded half yearly. These are the formulas. This was just a quick revision of all the topics. You can go back and learn from the videos anywhere that you have missed anything. You can go back and watch that video, do that exercise question and solve all the questions and practice more and more questions. This was all about this chapter. We will meet again in for the next chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you for joining me.